Salt, the essential kitchen ingredient.
Salt isn't just for taste. It's a key player in how food transforms when cooked. From baking bread to preparing a juicy steak, salt's unique chemical properties impact texture, softness, and even safety. Let's explore the remarkable science behind salt and uncover its hidden roles in your favorite dishes.
Enhancing flavor beyond saltiness.
Salt does more than make food salty. It enhances and balances flavors. It suppresses bitterness, boosts sweetness, and brings out natural aromas. Even a pinch can make vegetables taste fresher and chocolate richer. Professional chefs rely on salt's power to unlock the best in every ingredient.
How salt changes food texture.
Salt can shift the very texture of food. In bread dough, it strengthens gluten and controls yeast, leading to a better rise and crunchier crust. When salting vegetables, it draws out water, making them crispier or softer, depending on the method. This simple mineral changes how food feels as much as how it tastes.
Salt's role in food chemistry.
Salt acts as a preservative by drawing out moisture and creating a hostile environment for harmful microbes. That's why it's used in curing meats and fermenting vegetables. Salt can also speed up or slow down chemical reactions, affecting the color and appearance of cooked foods.
Mastering salt in your cooking.
1. Understanding when and how to use salt transforms good cooking into great cooking. Salting early allows flavors to penetrate deeply, while finishing salt adds crunch and aroma. Remember, a little goes a long way. Thoughtful seasoning can elevate every meal from ordinary to extraordinary.